Hey, good morning everybody, this is Cliff with Paint Flamingo Power Wash. Back with a new video for you guys. Today I'm working in Tampa, Florida. Actually we're in Lutz, Florida. I got my boy Blair with me today. You know what I'm saying? He was with me last week. So we're gonna tackle on a few jobs today. First job on the schedule is gonna be this pool deck and this pool screen. And our next job is gonna be a roof cleaning. And our third one is gonna be a paver sealing job. So we're gonna be starting here. I got Blair starting up to wet all the plants, and he's gonna be wetting down this little area over here just to make sure we don't streak it or hurt anything on the fabric. This cage itself is not really bad. The floor does need to be done. Got some algae on the floor. I mean on the pavers. You can tell that's pretty dirty. So we're gonna hit this cage here with a 3% mix, SH, surfactant, and water. As you can tell, got some algae right here, cobwebs, but not too wild though. Everything should get nice and cleaned up and ready for Thanksgiving. So as Blair wetting down this area over here, there's no planks on this side. I'm gonna use my soft wash hose to start applying the mix on the outside of the cage. My hose only reaches to right here. So when I soap all this up right here, I'm gonna come through the gate, come through this gate, and then do the outside over here on this side. So I'm gonna start right here. All right, so I got Blair rinsing out the outside of the cage first. Everything inside has been treated. Hey, hit those sideways. Yep, that's good. And also when you're rinsing the bottom one, try not to push the water in the pool. So that's why you rinse sideways.
Okay, got it.
Especially for the pools that's like really close to the streams.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. My bad. Right. Alright guys, got the pool cage, pool deck done.
What was that?
I'm recording. Blair did the cage, I did the deck. Got her looking nice and clean, ready for turkey day. We're gonna pack it up. Next job is a roof cleaning, and I think we're gonna be working in Tampa for the roof cleaning. So I'll see you guys when I get there. All right guys, we're over here in New Tampa for the second job for the day. We're gonna be doing the roof cleaning over here, and also the fascia cleaning. This customer here found me on through Google, and called me for this service here. It's a shingle roof, nothing crazy about it. You know, we're gonna hit this with a 5% mix. Blair's up there checking it out, taking some pictures, but nothing to it, just a regular mix. They do have gutters that leads to the plants area, so we're gonna water down everything really good. We might have to bag down this gutter here. Let's see where it leads to. So this gutter here leads underground. So let me see, we're gonna get you guys a shot. So damn, there you go. So it leads underground, so we're gonna probably take it off right here and put a gutter bag in that. Water down all these plants here. And same thing for over here. You can tell this goes down in the grass, so we're gonna put a gutter bag in that one too. Nice little property here on the water. It feels great out here today too, good weather. I'm gonna put a bag on that one too also. But yeah, let's go ahead and grab the gutter bags and then start putting them up on the downspouts. So we're putting the bags on the gutters, downspouts, just to make sure, you know, we keep everything, all the runoff goes inside the bag. Got another one right here. Blair's setting up another one over here. I'll show you guys. So we got the gutter bag over here. Roof is treated nice and clean. I'm just gonna go back and hit up any sections that looks a little dark. You know what I'm saying? But for the most part, everything is looking nice and clean. Beautiful out day. So I mean, beautiful day out here. I know I'm supposed to have my mask on, guys. Trust me, I know. Today is feeling good out here. Nice breeze, lots of wind. so I don't have to breathe in as much fumes. There's no fumes actually, no sun out today. But I appreciate y'all for telling me that. Stay on me about that. Guys, so I got the roof all treated up. I got Blair, you know, doing my ground thing, you know what I'm saying, getting the plants wet. We're rinsing off the garage door for any overspray. We don't leave anything on the on that, you know what I'm saying, that can streak it or etch the glass that's on there. So we're gonna rinse everything down, water down everything. We are gonna clean the fascia of the house, but over here it's pretty good for us because the mix that goes on the fascia, you know what I'm saying, he's gonna get it clean. Once we rinse it, we might have to treat it, but it is what it is. Nothing, you know what I'm saying, out of the ordinary for us. Over here where the crease is, that's where the SH come down. So we've been flooding this area pretty good right here on the floor. I mean on the grass. Yeah, everything's coming pretty good, man. All right, guys, project is done. Look at that roof, man. Roof is looking spectacular. Got we written down all the areas that's no gutters, like the drip edges. You know what I'm saying? Wet them down real good. We're flooding this whole area right here. We flooded the plants and all this flower bed over here. Got hit it. We hit that already. Show you guys the roof right here. Look at that. Show you guys why we use the gutter bags. See all our runoff get caught in the bag. All that right there would be on the grass, which will brown this grass up and kill it. This back section of this roof is the steepest. So, and today I didn't use that much surfactant. I don't know if you guys could tell. I didn't turn my surfactant on at all, really. Look at that. So, for me not using surfactant, I had a little bit more runoff than usual. So, this bag here collected way more runoff. So this is why we use it, and we don't let it drip on this area. I mean, even though this little drip may kill it, but we water down this area really good because it got some plants right here. So Blair's collecting the bags. We're gonna collect them, dispose of them. Actually, you know, you could take this runoff if you want it and put it on a pump sprayer and pro-street and pre-treat concrete with it if you really wanted to. But we're gonna pack it up. We got one more job on the schedule, pavement sealing job. We'll see you guys there soon.